When I was a kid, so much wrestling. There was so much wrestling involved. We used to watch wrestling back in the day when there was like 8 people, like IRS, Sergeant Slaughter, Papa Shango, Bret Hart, Owen Hart, Million Dollar Man, Macho Man, and Hulk Hogan. That's the 8th. There you go. I think that was the All-Star lineup, and since then it's just gotten out of control. There's like 500 people. It's like way heavier on the weird relationship drama. Like it used to be like, I'm gonna fight you and I'm gonna win and then I'll have the belt and the glory. And now it's like, oh, you stole my woman, I tell you what. Really ridiculous now. It's like more soap opera than what we want to see, which is, I guess, softcore gay porn. I've grown up a little bit. Now I see what it's all about. Anyways, so I don't want to see naked men grope each other, but monsters fighting it out to be the king of not the ring, but the king of the monsters. Fuck yeah! Poison Ghost. Poison Ghost wins! We distracted 10%. We'll have to get more on the distraction next round. Who am I fighting? Some crazy monkey man? Inokayama? Ha! It is some crazy monkey man. What? You have no energy, you big cheater. %, distraction. Oh no. Who's next? Is it that angry horn beetle thing? In Kobe? Nope. Mr. Rockman. Winner, Poison Ghost. 40% distraction, yo. 30,000 dead. Kyoto Here's that horn beetle thing. Stop. Oh. I don't know what even happened there. Oh, what are you doing? No distraction? Ain't no freaking way. I assume that makes me the king. Oh, I'm about to drop a bomb. Oh, mirror match. Unacceptable cheapness. What? Where have I been here? Fuck this shit. How did I feel about that game? Well, I think it was really fun until the last enemy, and then it got like absurdly hard. They were just insanely difficult. I know arcade games are a business. That is just ridiculous. The jump. It's like after the first 3 guys in Mortal Kombat 2, where it just goes to the hardest mode. That's a thing, look it up. Same thing, so hard, ridiculous. Like I do like 4 moves and he's down like 1/8 of his health. He does 2 moves and I'm down half. Where can I learn these powers? Either way, it's still fun. Getting a little sick. I'm not really thrilled with the there's no ending to the game, so we'll just make you go around again, which I think that was gonna do, but like, I had my fun and I was done with it. I feel like the controls are pretty non-responsive. Like, you can tap the buttons as fast as you can, but I don't think it actually makes a difference. The punching, like, it doesn't interrupt the punching animation, so you push punch and he's like, whereas other games would interrupt the animation, so it'd be like, There's no 1-2 combo, or in the case of Metal Gear Solid, punch, punch, kick. But either way, it was a fun game. Definitely a good moneymaker if I own an arcade, and it was whatever year that came out. It caught my eye as a kid, I can tell you that much. I think they had it at the laundromat where my family did laundry, or possibly my mom would give us like a couple of dollars and tell us to go away for a while, and we'd run across to 7-Eleven and play the games there until that fateful day. There's always a line at the arcade machines in a convenience store. At least there was in those days. But someone was just not respecting the fact that there are others waiting, and there was a stabbing. A stabbing at 7-Eleven! Who would have thought? Bet you can buy your drugs out back though.